Hey guys, welcome back to Jofi's Dolls. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the BTS Idol Jungkook doll. This doll retailed at $19.99 and this will be an outbox review. So without further ado, let's get into this video. That doll is for my personal collection, so I'll be taking this doll out of the box. Let's take a closer look at the doll's box and then we'll get him out of the box. The front of the box reads BTS Jungkook. The back of the box has a BTS logo on top and then it has a group picture of all the members. Now let's get this doll out of the box and take a closer look at him. This is the doll out of the box. He stands alone and does not require a stand. This doll has streaked reddish pink hair, which is styled in a side part. He has really thick brown eyebrows and brown eyes with brownish eyeshadow and black eyeliner. He does not have rooted lashes. He has pinkish lips and his lower lip is really full. This doll's eyes, eyebrows, and lips are a little pixelated. This doll does not have on any earrings. His head is marked 2019 Mattel. His outfit is based on the outfit that he wore in the Idol movie. It is a two-piece yellow suit. He's also wearing a black and white checkered belt with a yellow buckle. For the shoes, he has on white sneakers with shoelace detail and a buckle detail at the back. This is the underside of his shoes. His blazer is attached to the belt with some tags. Let's get these tags off. His shirt and pants are fastened by Velcro. There are a lot of details on this doll's body. He is quite muscular. He has abs. Even his back is very muscular. I'm not sure if the details are showing up on camera. He's marked 2015 Mattel. His fingers are also quite detailed. This doll has 13 points of articulation. His head moves sideways. Arms move up and down. His elbows bend forwards and they also rotate 360 degrees. His wrist moves and rotates. His legs move up and down, and his knees bend. His joints are really tight. I also wanted to mention that this doll stands without his shoes as well. He is slightly shorter than a regular Ken doll. He's probably 11.5 inches tall. I did compare his height with that of a Barbie doll, and he's almost as tall as a Barbie doll. Although he's shorter than Ken, let's check if Ken's clothes fit him. It does fit, but the outfit is really loose on him, especially the pants. And the shoes didn't seem to fit. I didn't bother trying his clothes on Ken because it obviously wouldn't fit. I try to make this work. I will put him in some of my other Ken dolls outfits and put the pictures at the end of this video because this video is already becoming too long. And finally, he's back in his original outfit. Anyway, that's all for this review. I hope you guys really enjoy watching this review. My thoughts on this doll, it does not exactly look like Jungkook, but then again, I really do appreciate Mattel's efforts in making this doll. And since this doll is from the first BTS doll line by Mattel, I think Mattel did a pretty good job. I really love the fact that they gave him rooted hair, and also the print on his outfit is very similar to the one in the Idol MV. His body is also quite muscular, so I think overall I really like this doll. Do let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about this doll. I do have the other dolls and I will review them very soon, but if you like this video and if you would like to see more such videos, please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon below. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.